We'll guide you through how to calculate the Stripe fee. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Stripe website. Log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the left-hand menu and click on the Payments tab. This will take you to a page where you can see all your transactions. Now, click on any payment to view its detailed breakdown. You'll see the total amount, the fee charged by Stripe, and the net amount you receive. Generally, Stripe charges a standard fee of 2.9% plus 30 cents per successful card charge, but this might vary based on your location or agreement with Stripe. To manually calculate the fee for any given amount, let's say $100, you multiply 100 by 0.029, which gives you $2.9. Then, add the 30 cents, resulting in a total fee of $3.2. Subtract this from the original amount to get the net amount you would receive. You can also use online Stripe fee calculators for quick results if you're dealing with multiple transactions. These tools often just require you to input the total amount, and they instantly return the fee and net income. It's important to regularly check your fee structure in the Settings tab under Account Settings to ensure you're aware of any updates or changes. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.